Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer 990. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer 990 only works when plugged in, it's likely that the battery has reached the end of its life. Over time, batteries lose their ability to hold a charge, which means your device relies entirely on an external power source. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications, making it harder or even impossible to use your device without being connected to the mains. To complete this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a new battery compatible with the Acer 990. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the casing of your Acer 990, starting at a corner and working your way around. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once open, locate the battery. It's usually situated near the base of the device. You'll notice it secured with a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws while keeping them in a safe place. Gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out from its socket. Ensure you do this without applying excessive force to avoid damaging the connector. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its compartment. Take your new battery and insert it into the same space, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it's securely attached. Replace the screws to hold the battery in place, applying just enough force to secure them without over-tightening. As you reassemble the device, ensure you press the casing back together firmly at all the edges to snap it back into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, try to avoid letting your battery drain completely too often, and consider keeping your device at a moderate temperature. Regularly check the health of your battery to ensure it operates efficiently. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.